Welcome back YouTube. So this video is all about today I make some curry chickpeas. You see me? Yeah, hard man, Jamaican style. We don't want to call it curry chickpeas, I'm show you what I'm going. I already have everything prepared already. So you just know so just go stay and just dash in everything in the pot and cook everything. Okay? Ground position. I'm gonna show you that still when they kick off the video. I said do the intro right now. So you know for you guys, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend. You see me? Curry chickpeas coming at you guys. Less than 10. I'm out. Yeah, so therefore I just cut this thing here two with my knife. I don't use no cutter. Knife I used to cutter. Too smart for me right now. I'm not smart for you that so a knife I use to cut my thing. Drain out in some water. You see me? Therefore just pour it. Season everything you're going in the pot for your curry. You see me? Soak it in some water. Because you know too slimy, yeah? And then you're going to use some Maggi on purpose. So then season. And the curry. Simple, I'm not using one bag of season like garlic powder, onion powder, no. And the season that I marinate it and we're done. You see me, that it's that simple, you don't need another season all over it. Right now, like straight into it. Dark shades like Rachel's, you know? So you know, better pack curry. People, you guys use whatever curry you guys want to use. I'm using better pack. I think this is the best curry ever made. So, you know what I'm saying? Right, then add that. Then go in and stir fry it now. The curry burn. Alright? So the season done fried now, so I'll go in with the chickpeas. Chickpeas seasoned already and marinated. I let the chickpeas season for like, I marinate for like 20 to 30 minutes, 25 minutes. Just stir it like this. I'm gonna go stir it like this. So same pan with the chickpeas. Got it right there, I'm gonna pour some water into it. Yeah. I'm just gonna leave it there, just leave it. Alright, we're gonna cover it up. Put your stove on medium, at least 6, medium high, Put this down. Yeah, so try it. I'm gonna leave it to cook at least 3 to 5 minutes. And medium, okay? Yeah. Alright. After 5 minutes, that's how it looks. Yeah. So next thing I'm gonna go in with some coconut milk. This right now I'm using powder. The powder coconut milk. Yeah. You're gonna need it to cook again. So you're gonna let this cook for like 2 minutes. Because you're gonna put in the potato and other stuff after. So you just wanna let the coconut milk cook. Majority. And we got a carrot and our potato. We're gonna go in with that. Yeah. Stir it all over it. Yeah. So the curry chickpeas is coming out. Look. Beautiful. And guys, this curry, so make sure the curry have a little bit of spice. Curry should have spice. If you're a Caribbean people, curry should have spice. So you're gonna leave it to cook. So basically what we want the potato and the carrots to be cooked. There's not enough juice in the pan. So I need to turn the stove down very low, to maybe like 4. If you cook it in a rush or quicker, you can turn it on high, but you gotta add water to it. That's what chickpeas should look. Curry chickpeas. So, as you can see, steam. Check on those potatoes. It's been 5 minutes. Check on those potatoes. Not yet cooked. Give it 5 more minutes. So, I'm gonna go in with some fresh bell peppers. We got green, yellow, and red. Also some okra. Stir it all over. People, if you don't eat okra, you don't gotta use it. Because they know me, yeah, want okra, add okra to mine, but some things I put in mind, you don't gotta do it. It's up to you. You like okra? Go okra. Don't like okra? No okra. But then I need the flour, you see? That's the last one, guys. Last one not gone in. Let me see the face here, what time it is here. Because it's lunchtime. Slow cooker now because we don't want it to itch, but guys, it should be ready right now. This curry chickpeas should be ready. Let's take again. 2 more minutes. I can't wait. Dumping them, boy, I can dumping them 5 more minutes. My boy at least now 10 minutes. But if they're not float, that means they're ready. Once my float, you know what time is it. This kind of done, so I suppose it more get more softer. Yeah. So guys, right now this is finished. And I'm telling you now. And a soup, a stew, peas in it, a chickpeas, a stew that be thick. Told the guys already. For the fans them, you know. Sugar on feet. First time eating curry chickpeas. But I still regret the dumplings there. I'm gonna try it with the dumpling first and see. Form some regretted. But chickpeas bad. Alone. Nice and tender. Soft. Honestly, I didn't know it was this nice, but yeah. The phone call, there back. Go away and come back. But the poop there same there. Yo, I'm not telling the lie. I did see a video on TikTok and the female said, so when she turned vegan, she eats at least 2 times a week. And I tell her, man, it's bad. Mad. Madder than curling time. Swear. Because it's being more chunky. Beat with juice, make a while ago. Put that. Guys, look more, like, share, subscribe to the video.